how smooth that is and shiny. Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the effective way to use the flyaway attachment from the new Dyson Airwrap. On my previous video, I didn't get the hang of it yet. I didn't seem to get how it works when I used it. And I've tried it a couple of times. And finally, I think I found a way to use the flyaway attachment so you can really remove the flyaways on your hair. So if you want to know my tips and tricks, just keep on watching. So I think that the first thing that I did wrong was use the blow dry attachment and then use the flyaway attachment after that. I think the best way that you can really remove the flyaways and smoothen your hair using this attachment is to use the smoothing brush first. So I just applied a styling cream on my hair, and then I am going to section it as usual. My hair is a little damp. I don't think I need to blow dry it. I'm just going to right away use the smoothing attachment. So I'm going to use this and then put it on the highest fan, highest setting. So when using the smoothing brush, make sure that there's tension between your hair and the brush so that your hair touches the bottom of the brush so it can really hit the hair and it can smoothen your hair. And also you have to brush your hair at the bottom and also at the top, just to make sure that both sides are smoothened. Okay, so that's how it looks like. Now other side. And then you use a cool blast at the end when you feel that your hair is dry, just to set the style. So instantly with this, your hair is actually gonna look smoother already, but you're gonna see those flyaways, especially with mine because I have a lot of baby hair. There you go. I'm just finding the angle so you can see the flyaways, like there, see that, like this, flyaways, and this. So now we are going to attach the flyaway attachment. So first you're going to twist this around and make sure that the vent is actually in line with this copper lining. And then you're going to put this on top of your hair. Make sure that this copper lining is on top. And then slowly glide it like that. So what's it going to do, it's going to push away these flyaways to make sure that your hair looks smoother. Unlike the short strands, it's just gonna push it away. So make sure that you do it slowly, and also make sure that this touches your hair, because this is actually going to heat up and it's gonna act kind of like a flat iron on your hair. So when this heats up, it actually straightens your hair more. So I'm going to put it in the highest setting, highest fan. Also, I usually wait until this plate is a little warm so that it acts like a flat iron again. Do you see that? Like, it's so smooth. It's harder for the short baby hairs, but as you can see, it's actually like straightening, right? With my baby hairs, I usually start the attachment here so that this part would glide on the baby hair and straighten it. So I'm going to show you again. Okay, instantly this looks a lot smoother than this side. So, and you can also see that my baby hairs, they're flatter, right? It's really hard to flatten the baby hairs on top of your hair because this could really get hot. So you can also put it on the second heat and then use it. You might lose the curve that was made by the smoothing brush because, again, the flyaway attachment acts kind of like a flat iron, so it can really straighten that hair. But look how smooth. It's super smooth. I feel like I can be in a shampoo commercial. Like, look at that. Look how smooth that is. Look how smooth that is and shiny. So again, to use this, turn it on and wait for about 5 seconds until this part heats up, and then make sure that the copper lining is at the top, and then make sure that this part touches your hair, and slowly just glide it on your hair. Treat this as like a flat iron where this is the hot part of the flat iron that actually smoothens your hair. So just make sure that there's contact on your hair on this part, and make sure to go slowly. So I'm going to do the other side. This side is super shiny as well now. Like, look at that shine. So that's it. I hope you like the tips and tricks that I've shared with you using the flyaway attachment. If you have the old Dyson Airwrap and you want to grab an attachment from the new one, this is a must. I love it. The first time I used it, I was like, what is the hype? But now that I know how to use it, like, I really love it. Look how shiny it made my hair, and it's just so easy to use. And seriously, if I'm not doing a tutorial and just doing my hair, it takes me around 15 minutes or less to use the smoothing attachment and the flyaway attachment to style my hair. That's how easy it is. I hope that you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll always be updated once a new video is out. Thank you so much once again for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Oh, and if you have any questions that I didn't cover on this tutorial, just comment down below. I would love to answer all of your questions. Okay, see ya!